Hi, this is Angella Ocheltree. My virtual presentation for the 2021 convention is Hypnosis for Preparing to Pass, Witnessing Passing and Grieving. The presentation is designed to help the consulting hypnotist work in this space and to work with everyone involved. So I'll be covering topics like working with the person who has the terminal diagnosis to help them through that process, also working with the caregiver to help maintain their health through the final stages, and all the way up to witnessing passing, which is a very sacred moment. And of course, then the grief that follows. The presentation is best for any level, anyone who has the heart for working in this space, and I truly look forward to sharing my program with you.